started now?
Yeah.
So in this case, we have processed that design.
Okay.
We have processed that design, you know. And the first step to start is dry the figure on the floor
To draw it on the floor.
and dry on the floor and to do the same dimension, you know.
Yeah.
The same dimension, and then you follow the border lines with the rebar, you know.
So you trace it on the floor and then you put the rebar over.
Yeah, you follow the border lines with the rebar, and then you stand it up, make a level and a square to start at the both sides, you know, because it's three-dimensional.
Okay, so you bend the rebar to the shape.
Really?
And then you stand it up.
Yeah, stand it up.
And then you do the front side and then the back side.
And both sides, you know. This is the figure on the floor, the half. And then I stand it up and I do the other side.
Okay, so the front side.
And then when I do this side, I have the reference to do the finish and another side too, you know, because I follow the same size, you know.
Okay.
The same bend.
So you have the middle, the front, and then the back.
Yes. This is to start and to do the finish both sides, you know. This is a reference, this size. And then I do the same bend and the rebar at the other one.
So then Morris wants to show you to show him how to use the welding machine. So you want to weld a piece.
So in this piece over here.
Yeah.
I already bend this. I follow this bend to the other side, you know.
Yeah.
And then when I do the same bend and this, I put the other side and I weld piece by piece.
Okay, so you want to show how you weld a piece?
Yeah. You see, I continue with the weld.
So what do you set? Is there a specific setting on this? Do you have to put it on?
This is more one welder machine, you know, but you don't need no more because it's no heavy duty material, you know. You can weld with that.
So what do you put that on?
Yeah, you can regulate the wire, you know, over here.
So at 9?
Yeah, 9 is okay, and high capacity, you know.
Okay, that's on high, and then you just squeeze the trigger and.
Yes.
Okay.
So, like this piece is that, you know. I put the rebar. Let me go.
Yeah.
I got the piece. I put the rebar over here. This is the other side, you know, as well. I weld the piece.
Okay.
And then I gotta do that piece over here too, you know.
Yeah.
To follow the same high at the other side. I jump to the other side, you know.
Yeah.
I do the border line and another face, and then I do the middle, you know.
Okay.
Follow this bend to the other side, you know.
Okay. And then the next step after that is to put the screen.
The next pass is the screen, the wire.
Okay.
The next pass is the wire, you know, and this is very flexible. You can work with this and you can do anything because it's good one, you know, with a screen. And you put a screen over here and tight with the wire, you know, the wire tight, and then you do the bend. And when you tight, you can bend, you can do other form, any form you want it, you know, and then you follow the screen around.
Okay.
You know, everywhere, and the next pass is the cement.
And you attach the screen with the tie wire?
Yeah. Everywhere. Tie wire, you know, to make it strong.
Okay.
And then the cement.
Okay.
With the cement, you do the finish, like this. We finished the letter right now here, and we do the details, you know, and you can see the the finish, everything. You gotta do, I think, 2 coats to do better finish.
Okay. So you just mix the cement with the spec mix and with water.
Yeah, spec mix mortar with water and glue, concrete glue to save the cracks.
Okay.
To save the cracks, you can see any cracks over here because we use a lot of glue, that kind of glue.
And then you just use the spatula or the scrape.
Yeah, the spatula, cement to do the finish, and then the sponge to do that.
Water. Wipe up the water.
Yes, to do that.
The second coat.
This is the last step, to do the finish.
Okay.
And you can see that over here, the screen. You can see the screen over here, this is the base.
Okay.
And you gotta make sure the frame is strong enough because in this case it's heavy and high sculpture,
So you need a strong frame.
Yeah, you gotta be a strong frame, and then the screen,
Yeah.
and then tight, and then the cement to the finish.
Okay.
Yeah.